back to my channel. Like and subscribe and comment down below if you are new here. Hello, welcome. How are you? Don't be a stranger. Come to the channel. Go ahead and apply to some jobs and let's get into it. Now, for this video, I have a company called MedNational Staffing, and the job role for this company will be a care review processor part two, number two, and the starting pay will be $17 to $19 per hour. It's a contract job, and the qualifications is preferred but not required. Medical office for 1 year preferred. Benefits is dental insurance, health insurance, and vision insurance. And the full job description for this job goes as our client, a large healthcare company, is hiring one care review processor for the state of Texas. This position is held specifically for a resident from the great state of Texas. If interested, please apply. Type for a position contract is 10 weeks and 6 days, possibility of extension for this company, you guys. So we'll start out as a temp position is a contract for 10 weeks and 6 days and possibility of extension. Now the location remote, but must reside in Texas. The education is that you have to have for this company to apply is high school diploma or equivalent. Required experience is 1 year in healthcare or a medical office, able to type 40 words per minute, and computer savvy, and you can uh, navigate through Microsoft Office really well. Day to day, meet contractual requirements in obtaining medical necessity level of care, physician signature for HCBS, eligibility process. This position is responsible for contacting providers and members via telephone, faxing, documents, mailing, documentation, departmental communication, and data entry. Daily multi-system use, dual monitors, multitask, meet set turn around times, and quality measures. Okay, so the pay once again is $18 an hour to $19 per hour, and the benefits once again is dental, health, and vision insurance. And this is an 8-hour shift job, and they will be doing temp to hire for 10 weeks plus 6 days after those 10 weeks. That'll be temp for hire for this position, and after that it can be a permanent position. Okay, an extension, possibility of extension. If you do exactly what you're supposed to do for the job and get it right, yes, it will be a permanent position, you guys. Now, this is a schedule for 8 hours day shift, Monday to Friday. Application questions will be this: do you reside in Texas? Experience, and this is right here, medical office, 1 year preferred, of course. And it's a remote position. They're hiring for one candidate for this role. It's a primary hiring, you guys. It just got posted today, this Tuesday of October the 4th of today. The 4th of, this is his day. Yes, October the 4th, Tuesday. So yes, jump on it, you guys. That's it. Opportunity is knocking. Go ahead and apply to these jobs that I'm posting, you guys, and jump on them. Get a piece of that work pie. Opportunity is knocking. Answer that door and step your foot into that door, and you go ahead and you grab that job because it's yours. You claim it, it's going to be yours. Now, once again, like, subscribe, and comment down below. And guys, I'll see you guys on the next video.